Welcome to our comprehensive guide on starting an LLC for sports betting in the United States. As the year 2024 unfolds, more and more people are venturing into this thrilling world of sports betting. Perhaps you too are considering this path. In this video, we'll walk you through a step-by-step guide covering everything from planning your business to setting up your very own sports betting platform. So, if you're ready to take a deep dive into this exciting world of sports betting business, come along. Before starting an LLC for sports betting, it's crucial to understand the industry itself. The sports betting industry in the United States is seeing a significant boom. With the gradual legalization across various states, it's rapidly transforming into a multi-billion-dollar industry. The industry's growth trajectory highlights an enticing potential for entrepreneurs. In recent years, we've seen a shift from traditional betting to online platforms, making it more accessible and practical. This digital revolution has set the stage for a promising future in sports betting. Moreover, the industry is not just about the big games anymore. It has expanded to include a wide variety of sports, attracting a diverse demographic of bettors. The industry's growth, coupled with technological advancements and broadening consumer base, make the sports betting business a lucrative venture. Now that we've got a grasp of the industry, let's move on to the steps of setting up your LLC. The first step in setting up your LLC for sports betting is planning your business. A clear business plan is not just a roadmap for your company, but also a compelling tool to convince potential investors of your vision. Start with identifying your target market. Who are your customers? What are their preferences? Understanding your audience is paramount to tailoring your services and marketing efforts. Next, set up your business goals. Are you aiming for rapid growth or steady revenue? Your goals will greatly influence your strategies, from marketing to operations. Finally, let's talk about financial management. It's essential to plan your budget, forecast revenue, and anticipate potential risks. This will help you stay financially sustainable and ready for any unexpected changes in the market. Remember, planning is an ongoing process. As your business grows and the market evolves, you'll need to reassess and adjust your plan accordingly. With a solid business plan in place, you're ready to move on to the next step, naming your LLC. A perfect name is critical to the success of your LLC. Now let's dive into the naming process. A name is more than just a label. It's the first impression, the brand's identity, and the memorable hook that connects with your potential clients. It's crucial that your LLC's name is catchy, unique, and meaningful. Remember, your name should embody the essence of your sports betting business. Think about the energy, excitement, and anticipation that sports betting brings. Those feelings should be encapsulated in your name. And here's a pro tip. Consider using tailor brands. They are professionals in creating distinctive and powerful names that can make your LLC stand out from the crowd. Tailor brands can help you craft a name that not only resonates with your business concept, but also leaves an enduring impression. Once you have a name that resonates with your business idea, it's time to register it. Registering your LLC is the next crucial step in setting up your sports betting business. This process, while it may seem daunting, is actually quite straightforward and can be simplified with the right guidance. Let's dive right into it. The first thing you need to do is to file the Articles of Organization with your state's Secretary of State office. This document establishes the existence of your LLC and includes essential details like your business name, its purpose, and the names of the members. In most states, you can file this online or by mail. The filing fee for the Articles of Organization varies from state to state, but it typically ranges from $50 to $200. It's a small price to pay for the legal protection and credibility that an LLC offers. After filing the Articles of Organization, you'll need to create an operating agreement. This is a legal document that outlines the ownership and operating procedures of the LLC. It's not always required by the state, but it's highly recommended to have one as it helps to prevent misunderstandings among the LLC members. It's also a good idea to obtain an Employer Identification Number or EIN from the IRS. This is essentially a social security number for your business and is required for tax purposes. You can easily apply for an EIN online, and the best part is, it's free. Remember, setting up an LLC can be simplified by using services like tailor brands. They can guide you through the process, ensuring you don't miss any crucial steps. Once you've filed the appropriate paperwork and paid the necessary fees, you'll receive a certificate from the state confirming the creation of your LLC. And just like that, you've successfully registered your LLC. But don't celebrate just yet. There's still a bit more to do. Now that your LLC is established, you'll need to stay compliant with ongoing state requirements, which may include annual report filings and fees. With your LLC duly registered, you're ready to take the next step, obtaining necessary licenses. To operate a sports betting business legally, you'll need to obtain the necessary licenses. Now let's delve into the world of sports betting licensing. Running a sports betting business isn't as simple as just opening up shop. You'll need to navigate some regulatory waters first. The exact licenses you'll need will depend on your state, as each state has its own rules and regulations concerning sports betting. However, there are a few common ones that most states require. Firstly, you'll need a gaming license. This is the general license that allows you to operate a betting business. Typically, this involves an application process with your state's gaming commission or equivalent authority. You'll need to provide detailed information about your business, including your business plan, financial projections, and ownership structure. Secondly, many states require a specific sports betting license. This is an additional license on top of the gaming license that specifically allows you to offer sports betting. Thirdly, if your business is going to have a physical presence, you might need a premises license. This allows you to operate a betting business from a specific location. So, where do you apply for these licenses? Well, usually it's through your state's gaming commission or equivalent authority. You can typically find the application forms and instructions on their website. The licensing process can be a bit complex and time-consuming, so it's recommended to hire a lawyer or consultant who specializes in gaming law to assist you. They can help you navigate the process and ensure you're in compliance with all regulations. Now let's talk about costs. Licensing fees can vary widely from state to state. Some states charge a flat fee, others charge a percentage of your projected revenue. You should be prepared for costs to run into the tens of thousands of dollars. Again, a gaming lawyer can help you understand these costs and plan for them. In summary, obtaining the necessary licenses is a crucial step in starting your sports betting business. It's a complex process, but with the right help and planning, you can navigate it successfully. Once you have all the necessary licenses, you're almost ready to kickstart your sports betting business. The final step in setting up your LLC for sports betting is creating your betting platform. Now, this is where all the action happens. It's the digital playground where your customers will place their bets, monitor games, and celebrate their victories. You have a couple of options here. You could develop a website, a mobile app, or both. Both mediums have their own perks. A website gives you a broader reach, while a mobile app offers convenience and mobility. But remember, your platform should be user-friendly, secure, and reliable. After all, it's not just about taking bets, it's about providing a seamless experience for your customers. Now, you might be thinking, I don't know the first thing about developing a website or an app. That's perfectly fine. This is where professional developers come into play. They have the technical know-how to bring your vision to life. They can design a platform that's not just visually appealing but also functional and secure. But hiring developers isn't the only route. There are also software solutions available that can help you set up your platform. These software solutions offer built-in features like payment processing, customer support, and live game tracking. They're cost-effective and require less technical know-how. However, they might not offer the same level of customization as hiring a professional developer. So whether you decide to hire professional developers or use a software solution, the goal is to create a platform that mirrors your brand's identity and meets your customers' needs. And there you have it. You've planned your business, named and registered your LLC, obtained the necessary licenses, and set up your betting platform. You're now ready to enter the exciting world of sports betting. With your betting platform ready, your LLC for sports betting is all set to roll out. Remember, success in this industry doesn't just hinge on understanding the odds, it's about providing an engaging and reliable platform for your customers. So, keep innovating, keep improving, and most importantly, keep betting on yourself. Congratulations! You've just learned how to start an LLC for sports betting. We've journeyed through understanding the industry, planning your business, naming and registering your LLC, obtaining necessary licenses, and setting up your platform. Remember, the sports betting industry is rife with potential. It's a vibrant field, just waiting for your unique contribution. So take that first step. The rewards are great, and the journey thrilling. Thank you for joining us on this journey. We wish you the best of luck in your sports betting business.